Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag for July. Pretty cute, so stay golden. I love the little zipper here. I think that's really pretty. So I do have a card inside. This month, everything you touch is turning gold. Bronzing 101. And then I know I picked a product. It might have been this. I don't remember. I never remember by the time it comes to me. This is from Perlice. It's a watermelon and charcoal purifying cleanser. I love this brand, and the watermelon products are really good. They smell really good, and I love the lotion one in particular. Also have Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Safe for sensitive skin with fig extract. And Ice Source. Oh, it's a moisturizing cream with iceberg water. That's pretty interesting. Huh. 95% natural origin. That's cool. Ooh, throwing stuff. High Shine Gloss. For lips, eyes, and cheeks, it says. And the last item is by Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Very cool. You just leave it on, thin layer, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can use it as a full face mask as well. Pretty good products this month. I will use, I think, all of them. I don't use primer too much, but yeah, some good products. I wish they put more information on the cards. They did that like for a very brief time and then they quit doing it. But anyways, if you guys would like to join, it's a pretty good deal still. They do have bigger like bags you can get now, but I always stick with like the basic one. But my link is below, and I do have a playlist if you want to see past bags. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.